This is Infinix Smart 10, one of the most affordable and durable smartphones. It goes for about 10 to 13,000 Kenyan shillings in the Kenyan markets, depending to where you are buying from. That's about 100 USD. Now, for that price, what exactly are you getting from this Infinix Smart 10? In the box, you get the phone itself, USB charging cable Type-C, SIM ejector, earphones, and a protective case. Let's talk about its design. The Smart 10 has a clean, modern look. It comes with a glass front, plastic back, and plastic frames. It feels lightweight but solid on the hand. It has an IP64 dust and splash resistant plus drop resistant up to 1.5 meters, which makes it one of the more durable options in that price range here in Kenya. How about the buttons and the ports? On the side, we have power button, which also doubles as a fingerprint sensor. Volume buttons add positions comfortably. At the bottom, you get USB Type-C port, a 3.5mm headphones jack, speaker grill. When it comes to the display, it has an amazing display of 6.67 inches display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The resolution is HD+, not Full HD, but the smooth scrolling makes a difference for that price. In this price range, it is perfect for everyday use, that is YouTube, WhatsApp, TikTok. The display is more than enough for just that. And let's go to my favorite part, which is the performance. Performance-wise, this phone is best suited for someone looking for basic smartphone. It handles social media apps, browsing, mobile banking, all online classes. However, it is not a gaming powerhouse. This is for normal and basic daily use. The battery is very good, and I think that's where Infinix has gotten so many people. If you're looking for a smartphone with a good big battery life, this is where you start. And to the battery, this is the most important selling point for this phone. If you're looking for a smartphone with big battery life, this is where Infinix Smart 10 shines. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which can easily last you a full day or even more with just light use. And finally, who is this smartphone made for? This is perfect for someone looking out for their first smartphones. Students, parents, or just anyone who wants a reliable basic phone with long battery life.